matters of the people live according to majority's decision. That's why elections are always filled with paraphernalia, commercials, and posters of the running candidates in elections of presidency, vice presidency, and other positions of the line. It is commonly used nationwide, but elections can be done anywhere in any method you wish. The by-election method widely used in U.S., Palau, Micronesia, and sometimes in Nigeria and the Philippines in a special election. It is an election held to fill a political office that has been made vacant during regular schedules. This method is usually used when someone in that position either resigns or dies. Also, when that person in that position is negligible because of a recall or because of a serious criminal conviction. Term election is an election that happens on a given date that is used commonly for the local government. A general election is used in a parliamentary government and also distinguished as by-election or local election, wherein all or most of the members of a given political body exist. A midterm election is a type of staggered election wherein the election takes place at the middle of the term of another set of officials or executives. This type is used in the Philippines that is held every second Monday of May every third year starting 1992. In primary elections, the candidates were chosen in the party that will represent them on the by-election or general election. And the local election, meanwhile, is the election that is conducted